Here's how to program the keypad for your LiftMaster overhead garage door opener. The first thing you're going to do is locate the Learn button on the back of your opener's motor. In my case, it's a yellow circular button, but on some of the older versions of LiftMasters and Chamberlains, they had a square orange or red or purple button. Once you find the button, you're going to push it and an indicator light will come on. After you press the Learn button, you're going to come to your keypad and you're going to put in a 4-digit code and press and hold Enter. For our purposes, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4. Press and hold Enter. And you just saw the bulb blink. That means it's programmed. If you didn't have bulbs in there, it would just click and you would hear that too. Now that we have the keypad programmed, let's test it. We're going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4. Press and hold Enter. And it works. Press and hold Enter again. And it'll go back up if you do it within about 30 seconds. A quick note on programming your keypad. It will have these sensors on the bottom of your rails, and those sensors send a signal. If you're blocking the signal between the two sensors while you're trying to program the keypad, it won't work. So make sure that you're either on the back side or the front side of those sensors when you go to program it. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.